This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, March 12th. Stock index futures a little bit better, actually just mixed. Yesterday there were some very strong gains for no apparent reason other than it seems that central banks are likely to move toward accommodation. So that is in keeping with my view that stock index futures are likely to continue to advance. But the question that you might ask is, how can stock index futures be so strong in light of additional evidence that the global economy is weakening? And I would have to answer that as long as central banks are moving toward easier credit, that will be the dominant influence that supports stock index futures in the longer term. Moving over to the currencies, Brexit hopes caused investors to move into some of the more riskier currencies and away from the US dollar, so the dollar a little bit weaker. But interest rate differential expectations seem to be basically neutral, so I don't see a lot to do in the currencies. Interest rate markets basically mixed. This market caught between the bullish influence of a slowing global economy and the bearish influence of a possible US-China agreement on trade. But the one market that I do like is the gold market. As central banks, I believe, become more accommodative, that could spur inflation. And of course, that is bullish for the gold market. So my second favorite long is the gold market after stock index futures. So any breaks in gold should be used as a buying opportunity. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.